Still juggling those bulky dish soap bottles? What if cleaning your dishes could help clean the planet too? Introducing BetterSoap, the future of dishwashing. Just add water and watch as this magical powder transforms into a sudsy, grease-fighting machine right before your eyes. Compact, eco-friendly, and powerful against grime, BetterSoap is not just better for your dishes, it's better for the earth. Join us in rethinking dishwashing. We all know the hassle. Those giant bottles that take up too much space and are a pain to dispose of. Not to mention the mystery chemicals that no one can pronounce. Benzisothiazolinone is banned in Europe, by the way. A chemical found in the dish soap you most likely have in your kitchen right now. Forget harsh chemicals and say hello to safe, simple ingredients. Tough on stains, but gentle on earth. BetterSoap is cruelty-free, biodegradable, free of harsh chemicals, and vegan. Unlike the conventional soaps that dominate the market, BetterSoap's compact design means no spills, no waste, and no heavy lifting. Its powder formula ships in minimal packaging, reducing carbon emissions and saving you space. Stop squeezing the last drops out of those giant bottles. BetterSoap is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Just mix with water, and you're set for a sudsy, satisfying clean.
Using BetterSoap just feels right. It's easy, effective, and I feel really good about reducing plastic waste.
But creating BetterSoap was downright challenging. We haven't seen a change in dish soap since it was first created in 1930. Yes, you've been using the same dish soap since the Great Depression. We had hundreds of failed attempts when trying to create the perfect powdered dish soap. But just as we were ready to throw in the dish towel, we struck powdered gold, and BetterSoap was born. In order to make BetterSoap a reality, we need to raise at least $5,000. In the past, we've raised more for these projects, but we're so sure about BetterSoap that we're putting up the rest of the money ourselves. So we set this campaign at only $5,000. Please help us so we don't deplete our entire life savings. We launched our award-winning Grill Brush, Grill Rescue on Kickstarter and raised over $200,000, followed by 4 more Kickstarter projects totaling over $1 million in successful Kickstarter projects. We could not do this without all of you. We love Kickstarter and its community, so it only made sense to bring BetterSoap here first. I'm sure you already know the massive discounts that come with crowdfunding, but just in case you don't, I'll outline ours specifically. We launched our first project, Grill Rescue, on Kickstarter at $19. Now, Grill Rescue retails at $60. Don't wait for BetterSoap to hit the shelves to buy it. You'll never get a better price than what you see here on Kickstarter. Every packet of BetterSoap is a step towards a more sustainable future, supporting our planet and our heroes. Make the switch to simplicity and sustainability. BetterSoap. Small packet, big impact it. Okay, enough of the bad jokes. Help us bring BetterSoap to your home. It's all or nothing. Your support can make this happen. Clean your dishes and clear your conscience by clicking that green Back This Project button. BetterSoap. Better soap, better planet.